Yo, what's good? So I'm gonna keep this short so we can get into the trades, but I just want to say the vid's been going kind of crazy. I've had hella people join in the Discord, we throw on setups and just generally talking for the most part. It's been pretty nice having some kind of a community to talk to because, hey, I'm still pretty new. A lot of them are pretty new. Some of them are already profitable, which is also sick. But yeah, so if you want to join that, it's in the description. I'm also posting my wins and losses on my Instagram story, so that'll be there too. But yeah, anyway, so my first week trading on a live account went crazy. My second week went alright, and this is my third week. So I'm hoping to maybe stay in profit again, although obviously I don't expect that once again, because if I stay in profit 3 weeks in a row, on my first 3 weeks of trading on a live account, that is just crazy, but it would be pretty cool. So I'm just looking to take good setups and keep my psychology straight for the most part, and yeah, just see how the week goes. If you watched the last video, then you know I had this one day that just absolutely stunk and won't let my psychology get to me, pretty much. I lost a whole lot, so I'm gonna make sure that doesn't happen again. But I also had one really good day, and that was my biggest win yet. So overall, we ended last week in profit, but I'll make sure I at least don't take $60 in losses, because that shit was stressful. But yeah, ask any questions in the comments, subscribe if you like this shit, because that shit's just motivating, it's pretty sick. But yeah, for the most part, this is documentation anyway, so yeah. But yeah, I'll see you in the first trade. Alright, as a lot of you know, I keep it 100 on this channel, I keep it real. My first trade and my second trade have both been losses. It's been a rough start to the day, I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay. I kept my losses fairly small. It's not too bad, that's what I'm trying to say. This is my first loss. I actually wasn't too sure about going for this, but I went for it anyway. I saw this nice rejection candle here. The reason the entry is so late was because when I got in on MetaTrader, I'm not even joking, it put me in so high, it was rough. So yeah, it started rejecting it up a little bit. I really shouldn't have got in. There was not enough volume, I feel like, for me to have gotten in, so it's completely my fault. However, there was just a crazy volatility spike right here. Not sure why, but yeah, it was a pretty dumb entry anyway. So yeah, that was the first trade of the day, and the second one was this, which I've just taken literally like 5 minutes ago, and this was just a simple supply setup. It was under the 50 SMA. It rejected off the supply zone with a very nice wick. I got in like at the break of the candle pretty much, and it did start going down. However, I ended up cutting my losses literally around like here, so it was a very small loss of like $3 or something, but nevertheless still a loss. So I'm hoping tomorrow I'll find some better setups and be more patient. Today I wasn't that patient, I don't know why. I was just looking for some quick setups early in the day, but yeah, it's not how it is sometimes. So also it's good I cut my loss here because look what it's doing now. So hopefully tomorrow I can be a bit more patient and look for some good setups, you know. That's about it for today. Just need to wait for some better setups, just be patient with it, wait for good rejections, and hopefully we can cover these losses tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, so I just recorded this like 3 fucking times, but literally I just started editing it and I sound like I was just crying, bro. I've had a bad day, I ain't gonna lie. I'm in a terrible mood. I shouldn't have even come to the market with this mindset, but that's just something I've learned today, I guess, and hopefully it won't happen again. But yeah, today went absolutely horribly. Even after saying to myself yesterday and every other day that I'm gonna be taking quality setups and waiting a little bit longer into an at least New York session, bro, I'll be so eager to get to these markets and I'll be so eager to trade that I take the first setup I see. And in my head at the time, those setups look fucking amazing, but looking back, I'm just like, what? Like literally, why did I take it? But yeah, so I shouldn't have even come to the market today, man. I've just, yeah, been feeling rough. It's just not been a good few days really, but I'm gonna just try and move past that tomorrow. Might have to try some like meditation or some shit. Never done it before, but yeah, anyway, this is actually my second trade. Yeah, I shouldn't have even gone into this trade. It was pretty fucking stupid, because usually I'd literally consider this box as invalid after it wicked past it and I would not get into this trade, but it was kind of due to the fear of missing out and seeing how well this was rejecting. I got in pretty early to be fair, but all volume slowly disappeared and then just shot down, hit my stop loss, and now we're fucking miles down. But yeah, that'll happen, I guess. And my first trade was something along the lines of this, which is even dumber, to be honest. You might even just be wondering where the fuck I got in, because it just looks like there was no rejections, but at first there was like one fat rejection, and once again the fear of missing out, I got in straight away, didn't wait for much. I was just like, it could just shoot off right there and then. It didn't. It definitely didn't. Instead it just shot straight down, and that's when I went to this area. So I took both these trades in about 15 minutes, which is once again the the last thing I want to be doing, bro. I do not want to be trading so close together. Both of these trades were before New York even opened, and I want to trade New York, but I get so eager to trade that I just take the first setups I see, and then usually they fucking lose. I just need to get my head straight, bro. It's been a bad day. It has been a bad few days. I'm not in the right mindset to even be trading, to be honest. I'm gonna try and get this shit right, because, bro, I love trading, man, but losing does not feel good at all. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, man. Hopefully for a better trading day. So yeah, peace. Alright, so today was a pretty average day, not gonna lie. I'm not mad at myself for any of the trades I took, really. I think I did okay today. So this is the winning trade. I don't think I even took this first, but I'll show you at first anyway. This is a 15-minute setup from this supply zone. It had heavily dropped before, and it rejected pretty nicely at first. I was up about 30, but ended up closing at 1-to-1 as it started coming back, which was about $10. I also saw this 5-minute setup just before New York Stock Exchange opened, and I was really tempted to get in because London had moved an insane amount. It started down here and moved up here, and usually that means when the stock exchange opens that it will just completely reverse. So I was so tempted to get in for this, but I was like, you know what, New York Stock Exchange is opening soon, don't really want to risk that. It absolutely shot down, so that was unfortunate. And then it also hit this demand, but I don't like trading within like 10 minutes of it opening, and that was the first 5-minute candle, and that hit up here, and then this setup hit as well. Bro, everything hit on NAS like after the New York Stock Exchange opened, but I don't really want to trade anymore because I've taken 3 trades today, which is already probably too many, but that's okay. So apparently one of my losses was also on NAS, which was a $6 loss, but I actually am not sure where that was, I'm not gonna lie. So looks like I'm not showing you that, because that was, I believe, my first trade, which was a while ago. That was like 4 hours ago, and I'm gonna be honest, I didn't have it marked anymore. So you're gonna have to deal with a GU setup. So this was just, it wasn't the greatest setup, but I'm not like too pissed at myself for taking it. So this was a mix of a 1-hour setup, kind of a 30-minute, and kind of just whatever the fuck, but like mostly the 1 hour is kind of what I was looking at, because we were very bearish in the 1 hour, and I thought this would be a good spot for it to reverse off, but it did continue upwards. I nearly hit my 1-to-1, which honestly I was considering just taking it, and if it just kept on going down then I probably would have taken it till this demand, but it eventually just shut up and stopped me out. Pretty sure I closed around here, so it wasn't that bad, but still a loss. And overall today I'm down about $6, so I'm not mad about that. Haven't had a good day in a while. So far every day this week has been in the red, but today I traded a lot smarter than last 2 days. My mindset's been better. I haven't come to the market wanting to fucking cry. No, I'm joking, I haven't wanted to cry, but yeah, I wasn't in the best mindset yesterday, and I followed my trading plan a bit more today. I was really more patient, I was more aware, and yeah, honestly overall today I'm pretty happy. I'm getting back into my shit, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Yo, what's good? So today went pretty well, and I was trading a new pair that I've never traded before. I haven't really been liking GJ all that much. I haven't been liking many of my pairs, but GJ it's been very slow, and I just can't place high lot size on it for some reason. So I've switched it for UJ, and it seems to be going pretty well, to be honest. My first trade of the day was this 1 hour setup. Originally I planned to try and fill these gaps in, but that's obviously quite a high amount of pips. Like that would be 36 pips, which quite a bit, because this is a 1 hour candle. If we go into the 5-minute, you can see I got quite a bit, to be fair. I ended up catching about a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which was about $16, I believe. So not bad at all, but I could have caught a bit more, but I took it as it came back down around here. And my second trade was this 15-minute demand, basically straight after. And obviously the confluence was that it was coming off a 1 hour demand. So just looking for another setup was good. But yeah, as you can see on here, it didn't actually tap, but on MetaTrader it did. So that's where I got in. And I caught a 1 to 2.7, which is pretty good, which was about a $26 win, I want to say, maybe 24, somewhere around there. And I got out at a pretty good time as well. Obviously I could have caught a bit more if I took it up to here, but I'm very happy with where I held it to. Basically just up to the 50 SMA. And yeah, so UJ seems pretty good to me. So I'm going to keep trading it for a little bit longer, see how it goes. Obviously I have not perfected my trading style at all. I'm still pretty early on my journey, so I'm still figuring out shit like this. But so far today, UJ, pretty good first impression with it. I'm throwing it to GJ, but to be honest, there wasn't really much else being thrown on anything else, so that's why I took both these setups. Even though they're pretty close to each other, there's still like a 30-minute gap in between or so, and I already wanted to see another setup to be thrown so I could get back in, because I still like the 1 hour demand setup, and there was still gaps to fill up here, and it's still left gaps, but I I'm happy with what I got. It's about a $40 day, so I'm not complaining. And I'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully we can do something similar. So yeah, peace. Alright boys, so I got my TradingView subscription back, so I'm about to do some crazy replay shit, trust. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm happy about what happened today. I traded pretty stupidly. Actually, I don't think I traded that dumb. I shouldn't have just stuck on G all day though, that was pretty dumb. But yeah, that was my first trade, which was the win. It was a simple 5-minute demand setup, and I could have held it for quite a bit longer to be fair, but I saw this 15-minute demand zone right here, and it was looking really nice for a seller if you just look. Bro, it's so beautiful below the 50 SMA, clear downtrend. It just looked like a really nice place for it to reverse. So after I saw, I think it was this wick right here, I took my position, I got in, and you best believe I was pretty happy. I could have caught my 1-to-1. Yeah, I could have caught a 1-to-2, which is crazy, but my greedy ass went a little bit more because this was an absolutely beautiful setup. Look at that wick in. And it just went down. It was absolutely gorgeous. So I was pretty happy, but there was no news. I don't know why this happened, but you know, took it on the chin. Just another loss. Had quite a lot of them this week. It's not been all that great. But you may think, oh, he stopped trading then. He must have stopped, right? He must have done. That was his second trade. He only likes to take 2 trades. Well, no, I like to take more than 2 trades. That's just what I am supposed to not be doing. I'm not supposed to take more than 2 trades. So yeah, I definitely did take another one. Can you really blame me, man? Can you blame me? Like, look at that wick rejection. Just take a look. Can you blame me? So I got in around here, stop loss, about a pip above the wick, and I aimed for down here, which, you know, pretty far, but I was willing to take my profit a little bit earlier. And ooh, baby, once again, it's looking so beautiful. And then it just kind of, wait, what? Yeah, so I moved my stop to around right here because I was like, hey, I don't really want to take many more losses, you know. Oh, bro, I'm pissed. That would have been a $30 win. That would have been a $30 win. And it's literally reversed off my take profit as well. Yeah, this is my take profit because this is kind of like a key level right here. Wow, that is crazy. Yeah, well, that sucks a lot. Shit legit reversed off my take profit. Well, yeah, so that was that trade. Wow. Okay. Guess I'll talk to you in a second with the weekly stats. Yeah. Man, that sucks. That sucks. Alright, so overall, you could see the stats are terrible. Pretty ass day, pretty ass week for me. Overall, I could have made it good. It's just been psychology this week, like dead ass. I've been so dumb. Like, a lot of the trades I took could have been winners, and then a lot of them I shouldn't have even got in on. Yeah, you know, we're down 11% on the account this week. That is not good. See, when I show the stats on each day, most of the time that's not considering commissions and shit like that. So all the time it's like another fucking nearly $1 on each one, which is rough. And with that, I think even without that, I'm now down on the account overall, which sucks because this losing week is a bigger loser than any of my winning weeks, and that sucks. And a lot of them aren't considering commissions. So yeah, it's bad. This weekend I'm about to literally just be back testing the whole time, man. I'm gonna be trying to get my shit back. I'm trying to get back on, you know, because this week was not it. It was not it. You can see that it was not it. You can see my psychology was not there for most of the week. If you go to my first or second one, you can see that for the most part I was there. This week I was not there. I've not been following my trading plan at all, bro. I've been stressing. I've been down. Yeah, it's just not been good. Like, I'm down on the account now, but that's expected. Like I said from the first video, I expect to be down. Don't expect to keep on winning, because that shit is damn near impossible for someone to just hop on a live account and just be profitable straight up. But yeah, I'm hoping next week will be better. Even though we're entering like the last quarter of the year, which apparently, I don't have experience in this, but apparently is the worst quarter, and I may be seeing even worse trades. I'm gonna just hope that maybe I can catch some wins still. This is money that I'm willing to lose for trading. Don't get fucked up. I ain't losing this money for nothing else. I don't even buy nothing, bro. I'm a tight ass man. Whoa. Pause. Okay. I don't like spending money, but for trading, I know it's worth it. I know this is going towards something good. Eventually this will all work out. It will be cool. So yeah, this is my first losing week, man. Doesn't feel good, but it's to be expected for sure. And yeah, if any of you got any recommendations on how I can like improve, you can tell me in the comments. You can join the Discord, talk to me. Pretty active on there. And yeah, so I will see you next week. Keeping it real. Peace.